as you can tell, the weather is so nice today. I'm like outside the park. I'm so excited for today's video. So I wanted to do this series where I should kind of take you around and show you like the different arrondissements, the neighborhoods of Paris, and kind of just show you things to do, places to eat, you know, stuff like that. So today we're going to be starting out with Saint-Germain. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods, the 6th arrondissement, and I think it's just such like the perfect way to kick off this series. I'm so excited to take you guys around, show you the neighborhood, especially as the weather starts to like get better in Paris. I know that a lot of people will be visiting Paris this year. It's definitely obviously like an amazing place to visit if you're a tourist, just for a break, for vacation, all of that. So I want to make sure that you have, you know, good recommendations of places to eat, streets to take pictures, all of that. So let's go. It's very classic Paris, but what I typically come here for is the shopping and the cafes. So those are the two kind of like main reasons for me that I'm like always here. My tea place is here. There's a Taiwan, like I'll show you the Taiwanese tea shop that I love. I'm always here. But yeah, overall just like a great place to shop. All of the luxury brands are here, but also smaller brands and they regularly change the windows. It's something that I really love. And also, I don't know if they have this in your city, but every window will have you like prices. There's like a little card and they'll tell you. It's so helpful, so you can know like, oh, okay, like what's the price point of this store. Like it's really helpful, especially if you're coming here to shop, to know like what are the price points of the stores. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Probably one of my favorite parts of Cafe Saint-Germain. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here, CityPharma. It is an amazing, I have a whole video on this. I'm going to do an updated tour, I think, but it's basically where you can go. It is the best selection of like French drugstore products or skincare, all of that stuff in one place. So if you ever come to Paris and you're like, oh, I want to try out, you know, Lavi Rèv or like, you know, all those French brands, that's where you go to get the best selection and the best price. For example, the pharmacy in my like neighborhood that has it is like more expensive. So I know whenever I'm like gonna stock up on things, I'm gonna go there. So I don't know when. I'm gonna do another tour of that, like a proper tour of the whole store for you guys. I will link that in the description as soon as it's up. But yes, if you're ever in Saint-Germain, you have to go to CityPharma. So yeah guys, if you want to come to CityPharma, I highly recommend coming in the morning because there's always a line, it's always packed. I definitely recommend coming early in the morning as soon as they open because there will be less people. So if you're anywhere in Paris, actually, not even just in the 6th, I highly recommend going to Monoprix. You look like this. It's essentially like the French version of like Target, like Target, you know. It's a really great place to like just get French snacks and like try new things at like a really affordable price, and like everyone shops there, like just every day. Like if you live in Paris or anywhere in France, really you shop at Monoprix. So highly recommend checking out a Monoprix. technically we're not in Saint-Germain anymore. Saint-Germain is over there. But I figured this is way more pretty to come and sit and talk to you on the water. Yeah, just such a beautiful day out. So that is Saint-Germain. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of, things to do. And like, honestly, one of my favorite parts about Paris, honestly, is to just explore, to walk around, get lost, like no destination, no nothing, just see what you find, because there's just so many like little hidden gems here. And I think that's, for me, I think what makes the city so magical is like you just never know. You never know what you'll find, what you'll do, what you'll run into. So I highly recommend, if you are planning a trip to Paris, to just come with an open mind. And like, as you could probably tell by the videos, the tourist places, like the bigger streets, are obviously a lot more crowded, a lot more people, all of that. But there's some really beautiful streets that like obviously don't have as many people, or have more of like, I don't know, just about what like makes Paris, at least to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, guys, the boat tour is going by. Look. That is a very, very tourist thing to do when you come and take the boat tour. I honestly, I did that when I first came here. I did it with my mom, the Seine tour. It's really actually a great way to see the city, especially if the weather is nice. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'll show you guys the other side. That's La Samaritain right there. It's a really famous mall. Rue de Rivoli is over here, like all the shopping. So Saint-Germain is a great place to start because it's really centrally located. Like you can get to like the Louvre, Rue de Rivoli, Châtelet, like everything is like around here in walking distance. Like Paris is very, very walkable. I don't think people realize like you could walk the entire city. Like if you were like used to it within like an hour to an hour and a half, easily from like one side to the other. So yeah, come to Paris, walk, let me know what you guys think, if there's more things that you want to see. Stay tuned, I'm going to keep doing these and just show you like different neighborhoods and places to go, things to do, all of that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.